The
Oh,
other way.
wrong way. There's one.
To your question, Dana, absolutely yes. That's actually a lot of the data set that I have trained mine on it comes all from PDF, but you can also include links if you use the code interpreter. This is that little capabilities, right? So the code interpreter over there, when you check it, then if you include links, it will go on the internet and search that resource and learn from that resource. And as David was showing here, when it trained it, when he went to creating it, he was using specific links, and he let it basically learn the information from those links and update its data set.
Yeah, and here's that setting I was talking about. Use conversation data in your GPT to improve our model. You can remove that so that but full disclosure, it's the